And we get back on track with the news that Jamaica's Shenese Walker says working on her top-end speed paid off after claiming victory in the women's 100 meters at the NCAA Division I Championships in the USA over the weekend. Walker, the former San Diego High standout, now a senior at Florida State University, sped to 10.88 seconds to win the event ahead of race favorite Adeja Hodge of the University of Georgia, who clocked 10.93 for second. Another Jamaican, Gabriel Matthews, competing for the University of Florida, was sixth in 11.12. The 23-year-old reflected on her victory, including working on the second half of her race.
I was very happy. I left the straightaway, as you can see, the 100 meter, the 60. It's my baby, so happy. Yes, I have. Analyzing my races and, seeing what I need to work on, and went back in the lab and I did just that.
And as for competing for Jamaica on the U.S. collegiate circuit?
Well, first of all, big up to Jamaica. Speed capital.
Meanwhile, Shantae Foreman, competing for Clemson University, secured victory in the women's triple jump final. Foreman, the former San Diego and Excelsior High star, left 14.24 meters to win the event.